How to browse effects on Instagram. First, you need to launch Instagram app on your device and sign into your account. Now you simply need to swipe from left to the right to access this story section. So you need to choose whether you want to browse the filters for simply next to the starter box. You can easily look for the filters. You can easily swipe, and here you can easily select the face frame as well. Or instead you can select the filter icon at top left corner, which is underneath your music icon, and then tap the search icon from this menu. Here you can easily search for the effect, for example 4K, and then you will get the list of the filters. You can easily apply one of them from this section. So this was it for the reel. So if you wish to browse the filters for your story, you can simply choose a story at bottom left corner of your screen. And here you can easily scroll the starter button to browse the filters and keep scrolling until you'll see the browse effects button. And then the browse effects section will appear, where you can again click the magnifying glass at top left to search for the filters, for example gem, and then you need to search or to select the filter you like, and you can preview it, and once you're ready you can easily capture the photo or video using the particular filter. So in this way you can easily browse for the effects of filters on Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.